Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem we're asked which expression is equivalent to 2x squared minus 4 minus, in parentheses, negative 3x squared plus 2x minus 7. So what we're going to try and do here is we're going to combine like terms so that we have one x squared term, one x term, and one constant. So rewriting this right here, 2x squared minus 4, then minus negative 3x squared plus 2x minus 7. So this first parentheses, there's no coefficient out front, so we can just drop it. So you have 2x squared minus 4. And then for these terms, we can distribute this negative. So we have, think of this as negative 1 times negative 3x squared would be positive 1 times 3 is 3x squared. Negative 1 times 2x is minus 2x. And then finally, negative 1 times negative 7 is going to be positive 7. Now, we just have a bunch of terms and we can combine like terms and get our final answer. So for the x squared term, we have 2x squared plus 3x squared, 2 plus 3 is going to give us 5x squared. Let me just cross those off to make sure we've counted all of our terms. For the x terms, there's only one. We just have minus 2x. Now we've counted that off. And then we have negative 4 plus 7, or you're going to give us 7 minus 4. Either way, you're going to get plus 3. So this expression is equivalent to 5x squared minus 2x plus 3, which means A is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.